Hi there. One of the questions we get often asked is why do we charge a monthly license fee for our website? Some of our clients love that. They much prefer to pay a lower upfront fee and an ongoing license. They can plan in their operational expenditure. And some of our clients don't like it so much. They prefer the old model of build a website for X tens of thousands of pounds, you then own the website, you run with it, it's a brittle website until it's out of date, maybe 3-4 years later, and then you build another one. Essentially it amounts to the same thing because you're just having capital expenditure every 2 or 3 years rather than operational expenditure ongoing. However, we thought it was worth making this little video to explain our philosophy and why we are strong proponents of the software as a service model. It's a big trend within the internet, and indeed over the last couple of years we've seen quite a few of our other website builders in the UK for estate agents starting to move towards the software as a service model, so we think it's going to become more common. But basically, instead of charging this big lump sum, we charge for an ongoing service that evolves and gets better over time. It's quite a common model. You'd rent your office space, you'd rent your software system, you rent your Microsoft Excel and your Word document systems. You don't actually buy and own that software, you rent it. And the reason for that license is that it's smoother, it's easier, and it keeps you up to date. However, there are 5 components that it contains, and we'd like to chat a bit about those today. The first is number 0 here, and number 0 is the license, the underlying license for our IP. We have a big engineering team keeping the system up to date, and it is how we license software. It is how we make our profit. It is how we do our business. And a healthy home flow is also good for our clients. As healthy clients need a healthy home flow because they need they need a supplier who can help support them evolving in that world. But the 5 concrete components that you can get your head around nice and easily are hosting, maintenance, evolution of the software, support, and advice. Let's take each of those in turn. Number 1, hosting. Hosting is, it's easy to do hosting. You can put a website on a single server, a single box as we call them, and that would cost maybe £200 a month. You can even share multiple clients on the same box. But there is a difference in quality between that kind of shared virtual hosting and proper dedicated hosting that we would do. The difference is we'll have separate boxes for the feed servers because they run at a different speed processing the property data, separate boxes for the image servers because they need to serve images very quickly, so they need a lot of RAM. We'll have separate boxes for the application serving that's doing the logic on the website, and separate servers and boxes for the database so that you can get really quick, blazing fast result speed. So that difference in hosting translates into better resilience, better security, higher performance and speed on your website, probably the most tangible benefit that helps your SEO and is an important part of the monthly license. Item number 2 is maintaining the code. The web is a changing environment. I mean, it was only 2 or 3 years ago that Chrome was released as a browser, or iOS came out on the iPhone, or the move to iOS 7 breaks a lot of websites. And the way they work. If you're not continually maintaining your code, or new databases come out or new patches, slowly, like an old car, it'll start to go wrong in various places until ultimately you have to do a big investment cycle to upgrade. With Homeflow, maintenance is included. We have an engineering team constantly working on any bugs or problems that occur within the website application because of the changing environment that we're serving into. That sort of feeds quite smoothly into the third point, which is continual evolution. That is more proactive. That is us thinking of new ideas. We like to say that launching your website is just the first move in a chess game. We'll probably make a video about that separately in the resources section soon. But the idea behind the continual evolution is if we invent a new process like an autoresponder, or like call recording on the software, or like staff profile pages, or cleaner URL structures, all of our clients get the benefit of those in the future. So it's not the website you buy today is not the website you will be operating on in 2 years' time, because we're continually moving the platform forward, and all of those enhancements are included free of charge, well, inside the monthly license. The final 2 are also related. That's support and advice. Support, you need a team that are there, that are dedicated, that are proactive, that are quick to respond on the phone or on email, friendly, easy to understand, who can help you when you change a branch address, or you add a new member of staff, or you've forgotten your password to log into the system. Or perhaps you just want to add another article, or you need to put video onto your website and you want to know how to do that. That support team is there to answer any questions as much as you like, as often as you like, included within the license. Indeed, on our bigger clients, we'll have quarterly updates and quarterly meetings, and for our smaller clients, we'll actually work with them if they ring us up proactively to help with advice. We can look at your website, we can look at your SEO, we can help you with your online marketing, think about questions like pay-per-click and whether you should be entering into pay-per-click, or how you can organise your social media strategy. or just how you can improve the SEO and performance of your website or the content you're writing on your website. That advisory service is very much part of our relationship with our clients. We aim to be proactive in pulling our clients along with us and helping develop at the frontier rather than reactive and just waiting for an upgrade request. I hope that sheds a little bit of light on the topic of our monthly license fees. If you do have any questions, please do get in touch, give us a call. We can chat about any aspect of it. We do balances between upfront and monthly licenses. It is a conversation, so please do get in touch. Thank you.